How to style wavy wig. Step 1. Separate the hair into 2 layers and divide the bottom layer of hair into 3 sections. Step 2. Comb hair and preheated curling iron. Step 3. Use curling iron to curl your hair for a few seconds. Then secure with a clip and wait for it to cool. Repeat 3 times. Step 4. Divide the upper layer of hair into 2 parts. Repeat the same process. Comb, wait, and use clips to secure. Step 5. The left is the same curling process. Step 6. Use a setting spray to set the hair. Wait. Remove the clips and comb through the hair. Final.